think that is brilliant because I liked what you said in terms of everybody talks about afforestation or deforestation. Nobody talks about sustainable forestry, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
really like the way you spoke about it, and I'm glad the Indian government is now making moves towards making that possible for pioneers like you who are trying to make a difference in this industry as well, Mr. Khandelwal. So, एक और middle class question, right? So this is coming from the middle class in me.
yeah.
क्योंकि when we try to get something done at home like woodwork, it is very expensive right now in the cities. So are wooden houses very expensive? Is it only for the rich, or can middle class actually afford it?
Uh, Sir, this is a very typical question that has been asked by me. Uh, but I think we fail to understand the value and the price. There are two things for any product. There is a value and there is a price. We always understand the price, we don't understand the value behind it,
Right.
right? The value is actually a parameter of lot of other things that surrounds it, right? When you do a conventional construction, I would like to talk about a comparison between a conventional construction and a wood construction.
Right.
uh, because what happens in conventional construction, you build with brick, mortar and concrete, while in wooden construction you build with wood. Or I'm not talking about wood, but I'm talking about a prefab construction here primarily,
Right.
right? What happens if you compare the time factor? It's a huge time factor difference between the conventional and the prefab. The 2000 square feet house can take up 2 years, and the prefab construction can only take 3 months to 4 months time to get delivered. So there is a huge difference between that time factor. Secondly, when you do a conventional construction, you actually disturb the surrounding areas. Na? So
Right.
much of lorries come, so much of dust, dirt, all these things happening, construction going on, noises, everything happens for 2 years. In case if you are staying somewhere and next to your house a construction happens, you can understand the kind of problems and the kind of issues that it creates for the surrounding people.